Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with Fiverr. So make sure to watch the full video. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online platform where freelancers can earn money by offering high-demand services. Clients can browse the online marketplace, find freelancers they want to work with, and contact them to work together. How does Fiverr work? The process of getting started on Fiverr is pretty simple. First, you'll have to set up a gig, which is essentially a type of project you can work on. Your gig will include what customers receive after purchasing, deliverable, the price, and when clients can expect to receive your work. Depending on how much time you're willing to put in, you can have one setup or multiple gigs. Customers browse through the gigs offered by Fiverr sellers to select someone to work with and purchase gigs directly from a freelancer's page. How much can you make on Fiverr? How much money you make on Fiverr depends on you and the amount of time in. Average earnings on Fiverr range from $500 and upwards for freelancers. How quick can you make money on Fiverr? Fiverr earnings may take some time to get started, but you can start earning money as soon as someone purchases your active gig. This can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks. How to get started with Fiverr? So now that we've covered how to make money on Fiverr, let's look at the steps needed to get started. We'll walk you through how to set up your Fiverr profile and account so you can start making extra money. Create an account on Fiverr using the Fiverr app or the Fiverr platform using the Become a Seller option. Choose a professional username, as that is what clients will see when shopping for gigs. You'll then need to activate your account and set up your profile with a description of your services, skills, educational background, and a photo of yourself to get started. Once your profile is set up, it's time to start attracting clients by setting up a basic gig. You can create a new gig for each service you offer. Having a few different types of gigs up simultaneously helps clients find you with more ease and ensures you have better reach. To stand from the others, you'll first need to come up with a catchy and appealing gig title. Then, you can add a gig description, which explains the services you provide and what a buyer can expect. Finally, if you're not sure how to write this part, you can browse similar gigs to get a better idea. You can also add additional material, such as a gig image, gig videos, including a video testimonial from a previous client if available. You can also create a gig package and more to make your Fiverr profile a comprehensive sales page. How to make more money as a Fiverr seller? When it comes to success on Fiverr, standing out is key. There are a lot of talented freelancers on the platform that you are competing with, so being distinct will help maximize sales. Add gig extras. Extras help add further value to your packages. This can include offering a fast turnaround time on services, additional revisions, and more to provide an excellent client experience. Progress through Fiverr levels. The more you deliver great work to clients, the faster you increase your Fiverr level. In turn, that makes your profile more visible and attracts more traffic. Offer gig multiples. Fiverr has some pretty unique features, one of them being gig multiples. With this, buyers can purchase multiples of any gig from you and increase their order size. Send offers to buyers. Another way to gain more traffic to your page is to look through what clients are searching for proactively. Once you identify a good fit, you can send offers based on their gig requirements and increase your reach. How do you get paid on Fiverr? Fiverr has a pretty straightforward process for paying freelancers. Once a client has placed their order, 80% of the funds are held in your Fiverr account under pending status for 14 days to ensure buyer satisfaction and are released for withdrawal. Can you make a full-time income with Fiverr? Many freelancers are using Fiverr and making a full-time income. However, the amount of money made on the platform will vary based on how much time you can put in. The more gigs you put in time for, the more income you're likely to see. For freelancers offering top gigs, there is a lot of potential to make a good level of income on Fiverr, as there is a huge demand for freelancers at the moment. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.